Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today I wanted to share with you another great deal from this Dollar General 3-day sale. So this promotion is going to be on the 2-liter drinks. Now, on the 3-day event, it starts on Thursday. Of course, it runs through Saturday, July 1st. But they have a promotion going on the 2 liters for the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, or 7-Up any flavor. And this is the digital coupon in the app. So if you have the app, go ahead in your app and clip this coupon. If you don't have the app, download the app and clip this coupon. Okay, so now that you have the coupon clip, let's take a closer look at the promotion going on in the ad. So whenever you purchase 3, and that's the key thing, you got to get 3 of the drinks. When you purchase 3 of the 2 liters, you save an additional $1. So they're on sale, buy 3 for $3. They're already $1 each, but with that coupon, that takes off about 30 cents per drink, really about 33 cents per drink. So that'll make it 67 cents per 2-liter drink. So that is an amazing deal. Now, if you want to make this deal even sweeter, you could, of course, get this on Saturday, and that's when they have the save $5 when you spend $25. So if you needed to do a bigger shopping haul, then that would add on to that discount. So this is the ad, and this is the featured drinks. These are the featured drinks in the ad. So that's one really good deal. Now, in case you missed the other really good deal that I talked about earlier this week, it is a laundry detergent deal, and it is going to be on the Purex laundry detergent. So there are 2 digital coupons in your Dollar General app. You'll want to clip both of these. So you've got the $1.50 off of 1 Purex liquid, and that's the 75 ounce. And then you've got the $1.25 off, and that's for the packs. So once you've got both of these coupons clipped, let's head over and take a look at the deal. Again, you could combine this with the promotion on Saturday if you were going to spend $25, but if not, it's fine as is. So the Purex 75 ounce is already going to be on sale for $5.75, but minus that $1.50 digital coupon, it takes it down to $4.25. Now, if you don't want the larger liquid, you could also do the promotion on the pack, or you could do both if you really just like Purex laundry detergent. So let's take a look at that deal, because that one is an even lower out-of-pocket cost. So the pack is going to be on sale for $3.75, minus the $1.25 digital coupon, making your out-of-pocket cost $2.50 plus tax. So those are really great deals if you want to go into Dollar General and try the 3-day event. I hope you score. It's while supplies last, so you definitely want to take advantage of this run deal. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.